Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by changing position and reducing mouth opening. Turn onto your side. Gravity stops pooling and drool escapes less. Use a slightly higher cervical pillow to align jaw. This reduces mouth gaping. If you breathe through your mouth, apply a gentle 1/2 adhesive strip or a nasal dilator to encourage nasal breathing. Once done, sip water earlier in the evening so saliva production in sleep decreases, and you start the habit tonight. You now focus on technique and physiological control. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on oral posture drills, lips sealed, tongue resting against the roof of the mouth, to retrain muscle tone that keeps saliva contained. Make sure to stop alcohol and heavy meals at least 3 hours before sleep because they increase saliva and relax muscles. Follow a strict night routine. Brush, floss, rinse, and drink a measured 200-300 ml of water earlier. This balances hydration. You complete the process by making changes consistent and measurable. Keep the same sleep position, tape routine, and oral exercises nightly for 2 to 4 weeks. Muscle retraining needs repetition. Change pillowcases weekly and wash pillows monthly to remove residue and protect skin. If drooling continues despite these steps, consult a dentist or ENT to rule out obstructed nasal passages, medication effects, or sleep-disordered breathing. Quick troubleshooting. If mouth breath returns,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.